Hello everybody, today we have Vishal, 1 year after his hair transplantation at the Venkat Center. So Vishal, hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
And why did you decide on taking up the hair transplantation?
Yeah, I was losing my hair. I was losing a little bit of confidence, so I thought to regain confidence and regain my charisma, I wanted to get hair
Yes.
transplant done, and it really helped.
On the day of the surgery, how was the surgery? How were the doctors? Was there any pain or discomfort?
On the day, I was informed very well about the procedure. I was given detailed instructions on what the process would be, and except for the pain when they put in the painkillers, which is just pricking pain. After that, the surgery was pretty easy because they keep talking to you throughout the surgery. So and then they ask you how you're doing all the time and give you something if you're feeling tired. So the day I was very comfortable. I don't have any problems.
How do you feel the results are after 1 year has
Yeah,
gone by?
I'm very happy with the results. So I was given realistic expectations of how it would be and what care I should be taking to get good results, and I've been able to do that, and I've got good results, and I'm happy with it.
Are you happy with all the staff and the doctors
Yeah, I'm
who
happy with all
helped
this.
you?
Yeah, the communication has been really clear, and they haven't asked me to take extra, any extra tests which are unnecessary. They've been very clear on what to take, what not to do, and even Venkataram sir has videos. So if I do have any questions, I can just go back, take a look at it, clear my doubts.
So now that you're happy with the results, will you recommend Venkat Center to others?
Yeah, I definitely do recommend Venkat Center. Even if you don't plan on getting, just visit, consult, so at least you can get your doubts cleared and then move on.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.